Alright ladies and gents, so we're back in the Lake District. Odette has only just turned 1 and we're out for her 4th trip in the lakes. So today we're going for another big hike to take her to the lush Scales Tarn, and we're going to have a beautiful wild swim. You tired? Yeah. Oh, you look really pretty in that dress, mate. Hey, yeah. Hey, you gorgeous. Hello, pretty girl. Here we are at Scales Tarn. Check it out. Isn't it gorgeous? Hopefully the sun will stay out for it.
Well done, Mom!
See how that echoed?
Goodbye! Say goodbye like I'm going to again. Goodbye! You watched. Yeah.
Is that a horseshoe looking thing?
Is that the stone?
Yeah.
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Whoa.
There you go, you've made it.
We made it. Wow. Oh, that was so amazing. See the Gigi?
One.
Woo! Hi! You guys look like tiny specks from here.
And there's another one.
Whoa, how much top in the world?
Oh, how did you hear that echo? Having a good time up here?
Yeah, definitely. Pretty scary, but still really fun. I've got another great video idea.
2 minutes. So I've just done the summit of Blencathra with my 12-year-old daughter. Wait, are you 12?
Yeah.
Yeah, 12 this year. With my 12-year-old. I can't remember, there's too many years. With my 12-year-old daughter Isabel. So this is the first time. She's been to Scales Tarn a couple of times before, but it's the first time she's been up to the summit with us. And we've got some awesome footage up there, I'll just show you now. So yeah, we're just on the way back down. And thank God the sun has came out, so we're going to have a nice little wild swim down there. And even if the sun goes back in, we're going to swim anyways. It's going to be freezing, but it's all worth it. Nice little cooler, some cold water therapy. Make you feel great, give you a rush for the nice little hike home. Gorgeous, gonna be gorgeous.
Gonna be gorgeous.
Just like you.
Just like you.
No, just like you, Isabel. Talking to you. Gonna be gorgeous just like you.
Gonna be gorgeous.
Ah.
Just like you, because you're such a good dad.
Oh, thank you, darling. It's a nice thing to say. Oh, I can't wait to get in that water. Ah. Oh. think this is going to be one of them. In and out, in and out. Woo. Oh, that is icy.
Isn't it? That's why I just dived in and dived back out.
Oh, falling.
Not have a wetsuit on. Now I can't do it because I don't have a wetsuit on.
Everyone do it.
Yes, you can. I can't. You can. Dad, it's because you guys didn't let us bring a wetsuit. Now I can't do it.
Let's go in together, okay? Ready, 3, 2, 1, go! Swim! Go on, swim! Swim!
Yeah!
Well done!
Go on, Isabel!
What is Belle?
Go on! Go that way!
I can't stand up! Retrieve me! Help me!
Oh, man.
That was...
What do you mean? Okay. You can
That's a bit much drama.
rough for me.
If you don't go in within 30 seconds like that.
Is it cold? Is it cold? Lift my little toes up, ready? Ready? Yes! Splash, 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 splash. Yeah!
Oh.
Hey! That was refreshing. Ready? Ready? Smiles.
Trying to support her head.
Hello, Tiny. Oh, this is not good. Oh, wow. Look at that sun. Beautiful.
On the edge of a cliff.
Watch yourself. Don't get too distracted with the camera. Just switch hands so you can hold on that side, that's it.
Be very careful here, it's really slippery.
Yeah, Lindsay, maybe better for you to come down this steps here. Because
Oh. A tiny video of her tiny face looking up here.
have a look.
Oh.
Oh, it's the baby's life. She's walked all the way up a mountain, swam in a torn, and now she's getting a lift back down to the bottom. She's getting teleported. Right, what shoes?
Wow, behind.
You gonna be alright there, Linz? Hold on to the side. Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh, let me get a video of that cute little face. Oh,
Get that in with that for a picture.
I will. Oh, she smiled.
Smile.
Say cheese.
Oh, good morning, Dad. Hiya.
Oh.
I just pooped in the car and now, yellow. Car and I hate stupid bumble. I was going to.
Get over the edge as well. If If you enjoyed watching this video of our little adventure, hit that like button to boost it on the algorithm. Follow my channel to see more family adventures, hiking, wild swimming, wild camping, family days out around the UK. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram, where I upload most of my outdoor content. And lastly, life was always meant to be your personal adventure, so don't forget, express yourself, be authentic, and don't hold back, because in the movie of your life, you are the main character.